Hello students, hello everyone. Yesterday or in the first section of this lesson we have learned that there was a certain king and he wanted to be more successful if he got three answers of the questions. That king want to be very successful king and he want to rule over all the kingdom very pleasantly. But what happened? One day three questions arose in his mind. What are that question? We have seen before in the first session of this lesson. The first question was, what is the right time to begin something? Second question was, who is the most important person to be listened? And the third question was, what is the most important job to be done? So king felt that if he knew all three answers, then he will become a good king or thoughtful king, a rightful king, and therefore he sent his announcers to all over the kingdom and also announced some prizes for the best answers. As for his announcing, many of wise men were gathered to the king's palace and they answered differently because their views are different, and therefore as listen all that things, kings was disappointed by their answers, and therefore he himself thought that he would go to the hermit and took all the answers proper. Hermit was the man who was widely known for his kingdom. We have seen this much in the first session. Right now we are going to begin that second session from this paragraph. Look at that. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. Here wood means, the meaning of wood is given here only. Look at this. Wood or woods means a small forest. That hermit lived in a small forest and he never left that forest. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Hermit never meet that rich people, that people who have very simple clothes and simple things. He met only those people. Okay, so before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As king knew that hermit never meet that great people. Great means that were not ordinary, and therefore king left his horse along with bodyguard and went on alone. As they came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. In front of his hut. When king reached hermit's hut, he found that hermit was digging in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. As hermit was old and weak, and because of lot of work, he heavily breathed. He breathed heavily. And therefore, the king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit. Hey, hermit, I am here for you to ask you to answer of 3 questions. Hey, hermit, as I know you are very wise, and I am here for the answers of my 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Then king asked hermit his first question, and that is, how can I learn to the right thing to at the right time? He asked again second question, who are the people I need most? Also third, and what affairs are the most important? It means what? He asked all 3 questions. What is the right time to begin something? Who is the most important person? And what affairs are the most important? Affairs means things, matter, business, works, etc. So, the hermit listened to the king. Look at that picture. So the hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He only listened. Look at that man. He didn't reply immediately, but he only listened. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. As king found that hermit was only listening, he suddenly went to the hermit and asked for spade for digging in the place of hermit. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. I think you would know that spade means that one of the thing used to digging purpose. So hermit said king that thank you so much, and he gave his spade to the king, and then he sat down on the ground as he was tired. Look at that picture. Here was the king and here the hermit, and look at that spade used for digging purpose. Okay, let's see on the 3rd page. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question. King started to digging, and when he dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question again to hermit. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hands for the spade, and said, now you rest and let me work. Hermit again didn't reply to the king's questions, but only he stood up and stretching his hands and took the spade and told king that now you should take rest and let me work. See what happened next? But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But as king wanted his answers, and therefore he did not give him spade and continued to dig to impress the hermit. And therefore what happened? 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees. It means it is a time of sunset. And at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, I will return home. And at last, at the time of sunset, all the day, king dug all that beds, and at last he became tired. And then he said that I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my question. If you can give me no answer, if you don't have an answer to my questions, tell me, I will return home. Suddenly, here comes a running, said the here comes someone running, said the hermit. And suddenly someone was coming, running to the hermit. Hermit told to king, see that man. And here our first part of the lesson ends. Also, I am going to end our second session here. We will continue our lesson in the third session. Thank you so much for hearing.